Welcome to the best picks. The best Rube Goldberg Machine Kit is probably one of the most creative and engaging STEM toys for kids, transforming simple tasks into elaborate chain reactions that spark curiosity, problem-solving skills, and hours of fun. Whether your child is a budding engineer or simply loves to build and experiment, this kit offers a unique blend of entertainment and educational value, fostering creativity and a deeper understanding of physics and mechanics in a playful way. Number 5. Marble Run Building Blocks. This set includes 233 pieces and 16 kinds of parts, letting you create amazing marble runs. It's compatible with other large building blocks, opening up even more possibilities. It's more than just fun, it's educational. Playing with this set helps kids develop their creativity, problem-solving skills, and spatial reasoning. Made from durable, safe ABS plastic, it's easy for little hands to assemble. The instructions are easy to follow, and kids can see their progress as they go. Unlike traditional building blocks, this set provides hours of fun even after the model is built. Kids can experiment with different designs and watch the marbles roll. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's suitable for children aged 4 to 8, but younger children should play under adult supervision. We stand behind our product with a 24-month warranty. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve them quickly. What we like. It has various parts and is compatible with other major brands. If you are looking for a versatile and educational toy that sparks creativity and curiosity, this is the one for you. It's great for kids who enjoy hands-on learning and building, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. What people say. Got this for my boys 2 years ago. They still play with it with their Duplo blocks at ages 7 and 5. The launch piece eventually broke after 2 years, and the seller worked with me to get replacement pieces quickly all the way from China before Christmas. This is a really nice marble run set. We bought it for our 3-year-old grandson. The blocks are large and brightly colored, just like the name brand ones you buy for small kids. We like the fact that you can put together 6 different configurations. I purchased this product to go with our existing Duplo blocks and they are pretty much perfectly compatible. I couldn't tell the difference between Duplo or these bricks. Number 4. Engino STEM Toys, Buildings and Bridges. Unleash your child's inner engineer with Engino STEM Toys. It's the perfect way to make learning fun and engaging. This set lets you build 9 different models, from houses to pyramids to bridges. It's a hands-on experience that teaches about structural forces. With easy-to-follow instructions and a 10-page theory booklet, it's simple to learn and explore. Fun experiments and a quiz help reinforce learning. It features award-winning components designed to make complex scientific concepts easy to understand. It's made in Europe with high-quality materials. Suitable for ages 9 and up, it's a great gift for kids who love to build and learn. The interactive 3D app adds another dimension to the fun. It's more than just building, it's a journey into the world of STEM. It helps kids understand the science behind structures and engineering. What we like. It allows kids to build 9 different working models. If you are looking for a toy that teaches about buildings and bridges, this is a great option. The interactive 3D app adds another layer of engagement, making learning fun and interactive. What people say. The video shows step-by-step construction. My 8-year-old grandson enjoyed building the selected bridge with his dad. The parts snapped together and created a sturdy structure. I like the product because it's perfect for the classroom. Durable materials, smooth surfaces, and plenty of parts to encourage creativity. My 8-year-old was able to follow all of the directions by himself. The pieces are easily identifiable and durably built. Number 3. National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run. It's the most backed magnetic super puzzle ever. Its unique tracks and tricks let you change the pathways and add excitement. With 75 pieces, including tracks, tricks, and marbles, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for hours of creative fun. It uses magnets, so you can build it on any vertical magnetic surface. The fridge, lockers, even a whiteboard will do. The snap-fit connectors make building a breeze. Detailed instructions and a learning guide are included to help you along the way. We make the highest quality hands-on science toys. It's a fun way to learn about physics and engineering. What we like. It's a magnetic marble run that can be built on any vertical magnetic surface. If you like magnetic toys and creative building, this is a great choice. The snap-fit connectors make building easy and fun for kids and adults alike. What people say. The magnets are strong and sturdy, making it easy for little hands to assemble and disassemble the pieces without frustration. It's a perfect blend of fun and education, and I feel great knowing it's helping them develop important skills like spatial awareness and teamwork. The design options are literally infinite and the process is both fun and it does take some time to get the design to function like you want. So it's cool that he can begin to work on a design, and even if he isn't able to complete it, it's perfectly in place for when he comes back the next time. The 75 pieces offer a good variety of tracks, trick pieces, and marbles, making it easy to create a wide range of marble maze designs. The magnetic tiles stick well to a magnetic board or the fridge, and the clear plastic track pieces let you see the marbles race through, which adds a fun visual element. STEM learning in action. My kid quickly got into problem-solving mode, figuring out how to get the marbles from top to bottom without falling off or getting stuck. Great for encouraging creativity and engineering thinking. Strong magnets. The magnets are surprisingly strong. Once you lock the pieces in place, they stay put, which is especially important for tall builds. Number 2. National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run. It's the most backed magnetic super puzzle ever. Its unique tracks and tricks let you easily adjust and create exciting new pathways for your marbles. This creative super puzzle has everything you need: a motorized lift, tracks, trick pieces, and marbles. The possibilities are endless. Build it on any vertical magnetic surface. Your fridge, lockers, whiteboard, it's all fair game for your marble maze. Secure snap-fit connectors make building a breeze. Detailed instructions and a learning guide will help you along the way. We make the highest quality hands-on science toys. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This set includes a motorized marble lift and many more pieces than the smaller version. If you want a more challenging and feature-rich magnetic marble run, this is the one to get. The added features make it even more engaging and fun for builders of all ages. Number 1. Engino STEM Toys. Introduce your child to the wonders of science and technology with this engaging toy. It's a fantastic way to make learning fun and exciting. This toy helps kids understand Newton's laws of motion, the foundation of classical mechanics, in a fun and interactive way. They'll learn about inertia, kinetic, and potential energy through hands-on experience. With this set, your child can build 8 different working models, including a catapult, crash test car, and a balloon-powered plane. The possibilities are endless. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, a 12-page booklet packed with theory, facts, and fun experiments, and a 3-page quiz to test their knowledge. This STEM toy is perfect for children aged 9 and above. It also includes a free interactive 3D app for virtual building fun. Made in Europe, Engino is renowned for its award-winning components that make complex concepts easy to understand. It's the perfect STEM toy for budding engineers and scientists. What we like. It helps kids learn about Newton's laws of motion through building. If you are looking for a STEM toy that teaches physics concepts in a fun and engaging way, this is a great choice. The interactive 3D app enhances the learning experience. What people say. Students really enjoy the open-ended options. We like this one a great deal, but for what it's worth, my 5th graders loved the physics option by this company even more. There is a book with information and ideas for builds which was helpful but not essential. Suitable for grades 3 to 5 and if using it in a group, maybe with 3 kids. It took longer than expected and I would plan on at least 45 minutes per build. Kids really get into testing out how the pieces work and coming up with ideas to test out. Very good quality pieces. Very good instructions, and the kit makes a moving cabin, ballistic catapult, balloon-powered plane, a collision car, dragster, and gravity fan, and 2 more models with online instructions. He could build the structures by himself. The booklet has history, background, and Newton's laws and theories, and it even has labs and quizzes. Putting the models together is quite easy. Is it worth it? This is the 2nd Engino kit I have bought for my program. I love the quality, ease of use, and educational content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.